want to try?
Wow, how cool. No, Gabriel, stay here with Daddy, Mommy.
You want to hold one, Mikey?
Wow. You want to try it? No?
Yeah. Come here, Gabe. It doesn't hurt. It might poop on you, but that's about it.
Wow, isn't that cool? Yeah.
Mikey, come here.
Look at the birds.
Follow this kid. Come on. Yeah, look.
Wow,
You
birds.
want to try, Mikey?
Mikey, you want to hold the bird?
Yeah, let me see your hand. Here, take that. Good. Trying to get that. Come here, Mikey. Whoa.
Wow, what do you think?
You want to try, Mikey?
Oh, it's on my head. It better not poop on my head. Gabriel, look at my head. I got a bird.
She's got it on video.
Oh, I have it on video, but I guess. Just let it go. Wow. Oh, I really hope it doesn't poop on my head. Shut up. Did it? I'm all shut up.
Mikey, come here.
A little girl did get pooped on today. She was like,
Here.
I'm stuck with birds. This one
like it?
All right. I'll open it. I'll open it.
Don't get it open.
Oh my gosh. It's not going to bite
It
my
does not
finger.
mess around. No, they won't bite you. Ow.
Wow. They're like,
You want to try, Gabe?
ow.
Oh, mine's gone. That's why they're all leaving me. I'm like, oh, you're done.
Look, Mikey, Mommy's got birds on her.
Oh my God.
Look at those tongues.